Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain how to reverse the elements of an array using C program. So let's see by writing a program how it can be done. So I'm writing a program. First I will create an array, then I will print it, and then after I will print it in reverse order. Okay, so first as include stdio.h. stdio.h stands for standard input output header file, and hash include stands for preprocessor directive. So you can say this will include the printf function and scanf functions, and this is the header file, and inside the header file these functions are coming. Okay, now I'm writing void main. So main function is created. So inside the main function I am declaring int, suppose int a within bracket, suppose 5, then I semicolon. So the array is a of 5, that is 5 elements can be stored in this array. So I can make the array like this: a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, then a of 4. So when this array is declared in the program, when it is executed, this type of memory location will be created inside the main memory. So a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, these are the 5 different locations because the array size is 5. That means it can store 5 different elements. Maybe different, maybe same elements can be also stored. Okay, so now I can write printf enter the elements, enter the elements in the array, double colon slash n double quotes and end bracket and semicolon. So now I am using the for loop for I equal to 0 semicolon, I less than equal to 4 semicolon, I plus plus. I equal to 0 means the initial value is assigned to the for initial value is 0. That means for initial value of I, the value is 0. Then I less than equal to 4, because if we count from 0 to 4, then it will be 5. So if I equal to 1, then I will write I less than equal to 5. But if I equal to 0, I have to write I less than equal to 4. Then I plus plus. Each time the value of I will be incremented, and for that the statements inside the for loop will be executed. So here I am writing scanf function, scanf within double quotation percentile d double quotation end comma ampersand a of I bracket and semicolon. This scanf function will take input from the keyboard and it will store it in memory. So now after storing the 5 elements in the memory, we can see it. So printf within double quotation display the elements in array, display the elements in array double quotation and bracket and semicolon. For I equal to 0, I less than equal to 4, I plus plus. So I will write inside the for loop, that is printf function, and this will print, suppose slash n a of percentile d equal to percentile d double quotation end comma I comma a of I bracket and semicolon. Then after this printf function, this will print the 5 elements that is stored. Then what was our goal? Our goal is to reverse the elements of array. So after displaying the array elements, we will have to print it in reverse order. So to print it in reverse order, we have to print the element of a of 4 first, then a of 3, then a of 2, then a of 1, then a of 0. That will be printed in this order. So what should be the logic? The logic should be for I equal to 4, semicolon, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. So this will be the logic. Just we will change the conditions in for loop and we will get the reverse uh, element of an array, the reverse array. Okay, so how it can be? So I am writing these things in the next page. Printf display the array in reverse order. Double quotation end, bracket and semicolon, slash n. After slash and double quotation. Okay. So for I equal to 4, semicolon, greater than I greater than equal to 0, semicolon, I minus minus. So printf percent first slash n. Let me change. Slash n a of percentile d equal to percentile d double quotation end I, then a of I, bracket and semicolon, then main function closed. So in the previous, you can see the first for loop will enter the 5 elements. So you can say I equal to, for I equal to 0, condition will be checked I less than equal to 4, then the elements of array will be entered, a of I. So for the value of I equal to 0, 0 less than equal to 4, yes, that means a of 0 will be, what will be the value that you will enter from the keyboard? Suppose I am entering 5, then I will be incremented, that is I plus plus, so it will be 1, 1 less than equal to 4, yes, 1 less than equal to 4. So I can write a of 1 equal to suppose 10, then I value will be incremented by 1, so it will be 2. So 2 less than equal to 4. Each time the condition is checked. If this condition satisfies, then the statement inside the for loop will be executed. If this will fail, if the condition will fail, then the compiler goes out of the loop and it will execute the next statement after the for loop. So this will be a of 2 equal to suppose 15. Similarly, I will enter the 4 elements. Suppose 3 less than equal to 4. So a of 3 is equal to 20. Next, I value will be incremented to 1, 4. So 4 less than equal to 4. A of 4 is equal to suppose 25. So the 5 elements are 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. When this will be displayed, this will print a of percentile d. Percentile, the first percentile d will refer to the value of I. The second percentile d will refer to the value of a of I. So here you can say these are the a of I values. Then the I value is 0. These are the I values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But a of 0 is 5. A of 1 is 10. A of 2 is 15. A of 3 is 20 and A of 4 is 25. Just like this. So here this will print A of 4 first because I value is 4. A of 4. A of 4 is equal to, here what is 25. A of 4 will be printed as 25. Then A of 3 is 20. Then A of 2 will be 15. A of 1 will be 10. A of 0 will be 5. So this will be the output of the program. So let's see in my dev C++ editor how this is executed. As include stdio.h. Next, main curly bracket, closing curly bracket, int a of 5 semicolon I semicolon. Next, printf within double quotation, enter the array elements colon /n. /n is used to print in new line. So now for loop I equal to 0 semicolon I less than equal to 4 semicolon I plus plus scanf percentile d comma ampersand a of I semicolon. So here I'm copying it and Control C. Display, I'm just changing it. Display the array elements. So here the scanner function will be changed to printf function. Printf. Okay. So now the program is complete. Let's execute it and see what is the output. So I'm saving in the name of reverse, and this will be C source files with .c extension. The errors and warnings are 0. That means program is correct. Let's execute and see what is the output. Enter the array elements. Suppose I'm entering 5, then 10, then 15, then 25, then 30. Display the array elements. So these are stored in this. So let's change it. /n. Twelve, 13, 14, 16. Display the array elements. So there is something wrong. So let's see. Printf O. So here we have to change a of I. Address of a of I should not be there. So except that we will change it. A of percentile d equal to percentile d, then I comma a of I. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Display the array elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's once again. Then 12, 14, 16, 20. 10, 12, 14, 16, 20. This is the array elements. So let's change it, reverse the order. So how to reverse the order? So simple, Control C, Control V. Here I will write, reverse their elements. I equal to 4, I greater than equal to 0, then I minus minus. 12, 34, 5, 6, 7. Display their elements. You can see 12, 34, 5, 67. Reverse their elements 8, 67, 5, 34, 12. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.